Hi there! Jamf ID provides users a single set of credentials to log into Jamf platforms, such as Jamf Nation or Jamf Account. And with the right integration, Jamf ID can also be used to log into Jamf apps, like Jamf Pro. So let's go through an overview of how to reset your Jamf ID password in Jamf Account. For those that want to change their password, log into your Jamf account and then navigate to Profile, Security. Here we have the option to reset our password or enable multi-factor authentication. Click Reset Password. A password reset email is sent to the email address associated with our account. In the email, click the Set Password link and follow the prompts to change your Jamf ID password and sign back into Jamf account. Please note that the password reset link expires after 15 minutes, so if it is not changed fast enough, a new request will need to be sent. For those who have forgotten their Jamf ID password, let's start by navigating to account.jamf.com. Enter your Jamf ID and click Login. Under the Password field, click Reset Password. Confirm that the email address is correct, and then click Continue. Just like before, an email is sent to your email address that contains a link to reset your password. If you have any questions or issues with your password reset, be sure to reach out to Jamf support at support@jamf.com for further assistance. Thanks for watching.